back for some maths. 2 keywords on my page. Hopefully that's already alluded to you what topic we're looking at, and it being shape. We're looking at both regular and irregular shapes. So you're going to need either a pen or a pencil, a ruler, and maybe a rubber as well. So hopefully we have an understanding of these two terms, but I'll go over them. So regular shapes, meaning that all sides are equal and all the angles are equal, and they're the interior angles, the ones on the inside. And irregular, shapes have sides and angles of any length and any side. And it's really important that we are using a ruler today, because we're going to be drawing polygons. Polygons being shapes with straight sides, so not having curves, and also making sure that all the sides are connected so there's not an open side. So I will start with a regular, and I've got squares on my page to help me. Doesn't necessarily mean that you need them, because not all shapes are going to follow the lines, but I'm going to draw, well, you can have a think about what I'm drawing. I'm going to be really careful and making sure that I'm counting the sides, but I'm drawing a 4-sided shape. And I'm drawing a regular 4-sided shape, and if I'm going to count, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, or you might have even measured it, so it may be that you haven't got squares, and I'm going to measure that's 3.5 centimetres by 3.5 centimetres. So hopefully we should know it's a rectangle, but it's a very special type of rectangle, being a square, so I'm going to label it, and that's because all the sides are the same length and the interior angles are the same, so maybe I'm going to put in the right angles. So that's my regular version, but this is all about it being a quadrilateral, so it having 4 sides. So my 4-sided shape, my regular one, I've gone for a square. I could have had a rectangle, as long as the angles are equal inside and the sides are equal as well. So here my irregular shape, again, I don't have to follow those lines at all, I'm not going to. I'm still going to use a ruler though to make sure they are straight sides, so it is still a polygon. Totally random shape. There we go, that joins nicely. But it's still a rectangle because it's got those 4 sides. So I've drawn both a regular version and an irregular. So add as much detail and as many different things as you know. So here I've put in my right angles. I might also put in a line to show that they're all the same length, if you understand how to. Here I haven't got anything. I might still show that there's 4 angles though, 4 sides, 4 angles. So I'd like you to work your way up. We've started with a 4-sided shape. These have both got 4 sides. You can go backwards and do a 3-sided shape, and then after that you can't really have a shape with 2 sides because it wouldn't be a polygon, it would be open, it wouldn't be closed. Because if I have something with 2 sides, I can't connect them, so therefore it's not a polygon. So can go backwards to 3 sides and then work your way as far as you can go. You might even get up to things with 10 sides. So regular, making sure, so regular shapes have sides that are all equal, and interior angles, the angles inside, are also equal. Irregular shapes have sides and angles of any length and size. So try and categorise them as I have. You might want to do them as a little table underneath, or just labelling them. And then if you know the special names for some of the shapes, also add those as well. It's about showing as much knowledge as possible. Enjoy.